Welcome back to Auto Car Dream Covert, the channel where power, performance, and futuristic design come together in one place. Today we are taking a first look at the incredible new 26 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Widebody, a muscle car that looks more aggressive, more powerful, and more advanced than ever before. The moment this beast appears on the road, it completely dominates attention with its massive widebody stance. Ultra-sharp LED lighting, huge front grille, racing-inspired hood vents, and aerodynamic carbon fiber details that make it look like a supercar mixed with a pure American monster. Ford has taken the legendary Shelby GT500 to the next level for 2026, creating a machine designed for both high-speed performance and modern luxury. Under the hood, the new 2026 Shelby GT500 Widebody is expected to feature an upgraded supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine producing more than 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever created. The acceleration is absolutely brutal, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3 seconds. The roar of the engine is louder, deeper, and more aggressive, giving drivers the true feeling of American muscle power. Ford engineers have also improved the suspension and handling system, allowing this widebody monster to stay stable even at extreme speeds while delivering incredible cornering performance on both streets and racetracks. The exterior design is one of the biggest highlights of this new GT500. The wider fenders, massive rear diffuser, aggressive front splitter, oversized performance wheels, and sporty rear wing create a bold racing appearance that instantly stands out. Every detail is carefully designed for better airflow and aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia looks sharper and more futuristic, while the muscular side profile gives the car an unstoppable road presence. At the rear, the quad exhaust system and modern LED taillights complete the ultimate performance look. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Widebody combines racing technology with premium comfort. Drivers are welcomed by sporty leather and Alcantara seats with Shelby badging, a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, ambient lighting, wireless smartphone connectivity, and advanced driving controls. The cockpit is focused completely on the driver, creating a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Ford also adds advanced safety features, adaptive cruise control, performance tracking systems, launch control, and multiple drive modes for different driving experiences. This new Shelby GT500 Widebody is not just a car. It is a statement of power, speed, and modern American engineering. It delivers supercar-level performance while keeping the legendary Mustang heritage alive for a new generation of enthusiasts. Whether you love muscle cars, racing machines, or futuristic automotive designs, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Widebody is built to impress from every angle. Thanks for watching Auto Car Dream Covert. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing future car reviews, concept vehicles, luxury SUVs, and high-performance machines coming soon to the channel.